machine?
No, I have not.
I just got it. Come on, I'll show you.
Let's go.
There it is, my time machine.
That's a fridge, you moron.
No, it's not. I swear, it's the time machine. Climb in.
I'm not climbing in there. You're gonna lock me in.
Oh, do you honestly think I'd do that to you? I swear, it's a time machine.
Whatever. Smells like Fremunda cheese.
Yeah, that was my friend. But don't worry about it. Moron.
Let me in!
Alright, Nick, time to open up. Nick? What happened? Oh my god. Ah! Oh, you're fun. You're fun. You're fun. Oh, shoot. Oh my god. Nick. Nick.
What? What happened?
I don't know, dude. It worked.
What worked?
The time machine. It worked.
It worked?
You came from here, or from the fridge to here.
Why am I naked?
I don't know.